Hello, my dear friend. Thank you for watching Creativity by CAD. Today we will learn how to link a data like Excel in Autocad. So for that, a table which we want to link in Autocad, that should be in Microsoft Excel. That is XLS file or XLS file. You can link to an entire spreadsheet, individual row, column, cell, or cell range in Excel. My, for that, there is some requirement which we have in our laptop or desktop. So first one is Microsoft Excel must be installed in our AutoCAD in our laptop or desktop, and Excel data link is XLS file type. So any Excel data you can bring from Microsoft Excel into a table format into AutoCAD. So how we can do that? Let's see. Here you can see this is Excel column A, B, C and D. So I'm going to select this complete Excel sheet, and I'm going to select this copy and paste here somewhere. Here I'm going to paste, or I'm going to type table. Once you type table, then there is some option you have to choose accordingly. First I'm going to choose this data link through sheets which you want to enter. So my file name is RK, and I'm going to choose and select is OK. Once if I select OK, then that data will reflect over here in this area, and click it on OK. Once you keep OK, then you can see all the data comes in AutoCAD. This data is from Excel. You can see here, this is all the data. Now if any values you want to change in Excel sheet, suppose first two value I'm going to choose as 100, and then you have to choose Control S, save this sheet, and come back to here in AutoCAD, and see in right hand bottom corner there is data link updated. So you choose update all data links. Once you select this, then you can see here first two will change automatically. Here you can see first two has been changed by 90 to 100. So this is how we can change any data which we want to link in Excel, as well as we can modify this data from Excel. So I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please do like and share and comment your in comment box. Thank you for watching Creativity by CAD.